Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. So directly jumping onto the topic, today I'll be fixing my Samsung Galaxy Watch 5. So if you have not seen my previous video, you should definitely see it like to know the issue. So you can see that issue right now. It's more complicated now. So I'm watch the video till the end to know more on like what I'm going to fix it now. So the issue here is the first issue was the the covering, right? The sealant, how the uh, what do you say, the screen is fixed to the actual case, right? So that has worn out and the screen was popping out, so the gum was not there in the first hand, so that caused the water damage to the circuit which connects motherboard to the screen. So I inspected it once and I could not get the root cause, and I took it to a technician at SP Road. So he told me that it's a issue because of the water damage. So he did some cleaning, and after that my whole display got uh, like, it is like you can see it's like not showing anything now, not even the white overlay, like everything is gone now. So what I did was I took it to service center and they told me it will cost around 8 to 9k for the entire replacement. So the screen replacement plus the glass replacement. So I searched online. I also did a research on if we get any spare parts somewhere, like from second-hand watch or something. So I could not find one. I waited for almost 2 to 3 months now. So finally you can see this package written in Chinese. So I got it from China finally for around 3k including shipping. So I got it today. It was very fast. Basically I got it within I think less than 10 days maybe. So I'll post all the screenshots that I had, like what is the process from where I purchased it. First let me check if the watch gets repaired. Okay. Right now I've removed all the screws. There are only 2 screws in this watch. I need to get the replacement screws for this, but I'll keep this aside. So I'll open the box. So this has the actual replacement. So I'm opening the box. So I've got it from e-commerce shipping company. So it has 2 things. I got something for free here. So the packaging is very nice. They have used all the so this is how it is packed, and from India they have shipped me through Blue Dart. So you can see the bubble wrapping what they have made. So this is a free gift that I got. It has all the screws and the stuff, and this is the actual screen. This is actual screen. So let's see what is there inside the box. So it shows as mobile spare parts. I'm not sure what has come inside. It doesn't have anything written in English. Okay, fine, no problem. Let me open the box. Hope it has whatever I ordered. Yeah, it has the display. So there is nothing else inside the box. So let me show you. Okay. So in my current watch, what has happened was like there was a leakage in this part. In this part there was a leakage. So because of that it was not working fine. So I'll install this. Let's see like how it goes. So it comes with the actual display. So let me see if it matches. Yes, it matches. So it matches. So I'll keep it aside. So I'll open the watch now. So we'll see how it goes from here. So I'll remove this. I think I purchased this watch back in 2022, I guess. So it's almost 3 years now, and I used to wear it like daily. So it used to be on my wrist every day. So since I've already told you that I've opened this watch before, you can see like I'm easily like able to open this whole stuff. So you can see there is a connector inside. So this is for the touch sensor. So what I need to do now is, let me show you. Just take a small prying tool and just lift it, that's it. So this gets separated. Keep this aside. I think this is actual this is a connector which goes here, I guess. Yeah, it goes here. So I'll remove this, remove it. I think that's all. Let me check. Okay, there is one more screw here. I'll open it. So I'll be using the screwdriver that I got as a free gift. So I'll keep this aside. So you can see there is one more connector here. Let me slowly open it. Okay, so this is a motherboard, and so this is a battery. So be gentle while opening. So yeah, so this is a battery whole kit. So now removing this is a challenge. Why? Because I have already applied Fevicol, so it has come up. I just applied little bit force from here, that's it, and it all came out. So yeah, so I need to clean this whole part now because it has some glue here. So I need to clean it, and so I've got one more sealant here. So this is B7000. So I'll be using this along the sides, and I'll be first sticking I'll test the watch first. If it works, all fine, I'll go with the installation. So let's see if it works. So this is a damaged screen. So this is where I was telling there was a water leakage here, this part. So that they used some I think 99% alcohol to clean this watch. So that time he got to know that there was a water leakage here. So I'm not that technical, but so I'm saying what I've seen basically. So let me keep this aside. Let me start assembling the watch now. Let's see if it works. So doing this thing. Is it? So these two are the buttons. It goes here. Sorry, this is how it should be. Okay, then goes these connectors. Okay, let me turn this on now. Let's see if it works. Now we'll connect the sensors now. Yes, it is working now. So the issue has fixed. Let's see, let it boot. So I brought this screen from Sunsky portal. I got it for around 2,900 including shipping with all those free tools. So I just wanted to check whether because since I am little bit like electronic freak, so I keep buying gadgets. I open it. I have spoiled like a lot of gadgets, but this is the first time I'm just doing some repair. So after seeing a lot of videos from YouTube, and this is the first video on YouTube where I'm showing a screen replacement. So well, let's see, let it turn on. So this is a success basically, so I'm happy about it. So since I don't want to buy another watch, so it's cost more than like 15-20k for a Samsung watch, right? So yeah. Now you can see like it is working fine, and let's see, like I'll change the watch face. So why I had kept this watch face was because due to that old issue that I was seeing. So as I said previously, the screen had a white overlay. So and I'd done a negative contrast of the screen, and I used to see the timings and other stuff basically, and all the tracking used to happen, and all the data I used to see it in my mobile phone. So now you can see it works fine. I've turned it off, like all the features on the phone, so that I don't lose the battery soon. So and I've not used this watch for almost now I think more than 3-4 months, or maybe more, 6 months. Yeah, almost from 6 months. Due to that, it also this issue came after update. Actually, I'm not sure whether it's because of update or something. Let me check what was that last software update here. I don't think so there is any update for the watch. Let's see. You can see like I have set all the timers to very low basically, so that it saves the battery, and I need not recharge like for 1 week almost. So it's still searching. Let me do this later. Anyways, let's first fix this whole thing. I think there is update. Yeah, downloading update. Okay, fine. One more thing that I wanted to show was about watch. Okay, so this is Galaxy Watch 5, and I've ordered. You can search on the internet for the same, or in the Sunsky portal for the same number, and yeah, so that the update finish. This is a security update. Okay, I think the last update what I received was on I think some time back in Jan, I guess. Yeah, in the month of Jan first or second week. That's when I started seeing these issues. So if you are facing the similar issue, maybe I can help you with the screen replacement. So yeah, I can get you the screen, and I can get your new screen, and I can help you with the installation. So I'll install it overnight, and for now what I will do is I will just turn the watch off. Sorry, watch off. Yes. So yeah, so what I'm going to do now is I'll remove this thing again. Okay, remove this thing again. So next thing is cleaning this whole strip here. You can see like I have applied Fevicol that we get in India. I need to remove this thing. So I'll be cleaning the back panel as well. You can see like there is some sort of lining here. I'll clean all these things. So there is one screw that is left. Let me try to remove it. Because this thing is not coming out. I don't know how to remove it now. And you can see the others. I just have two screws. One is missing. One was missing. I'm not sure when. And I'll try to get a new screw for this from a clock shop or somewhere. I need to find again. I don't know where to find. So it is not coming because the head has worn out. Here you can see the head has worn out. I'm not sure if I'm able to see this. See, the head has worn out. What I'm going to do next is I'm taking this. So this is a 99.9% pure isopropyl alcohol. So I'll spray. Okay, and then just taking a cloth just to clean it. Just clean the whole case. So I'll keep this aside. So I'll start with the gumming. So I just need to check again like on which side I have to put this thing. Let me just do a clean wipe one more time. So that any debris are there, it will go off. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to fix the frame first, okay, so that I know where this screen has to go basically. So this is how it is going to go in. So I know like so which side is what now. Fine. So I'll remove this again. Okay, take this again and so I'm just going to fix the screen now. Okay, keep it as it is. So what I'm going to do next is I'll just simply slowly apply this gum. Close it. Next step. That's it. So it takes around 2 to 3 minutes to settle down. I'll use this cloth to cleanly wipe off any extra gum. Fine. Let it settle for some time. In the meantime, I'll start with this. I'll keep this, then the motherboard, tuck, neatly tucked. Next, I'll screw this. Yes. Let's see if the watch turns on. Yeah, it turns on. Next, I will push the screen as well. So this is where this is how it goes. So this is a speaker, I guess. Yeah, this is a speaker hole. You can see the grill here. This is a speaker grill, and I'm just going to connect this sensor here. Just a little bit tricky, but like this. Yeah, I fixed it. So you can see here, I fixed this thing, closing it. Fine. So before closing this, I'm going to do one more thing here. I'll just open it one more time, and I'll turn off the watch again. Okay. Yeah. So what I'm going to do is, so I'll just apply this gum once again to the sides of this wall, so that the whole thing is secured. this tightly once again, so you can see the gum coming out. So it takes around like 2 to 3 minutes to harden. So I think so, yeah, that's it. We should be good now. Yeah, let me check if the charger works. Yeah, it works fine. So wireless charging is working fine. Let's see, let it turn on. It should show the percentage. Yeah, it's working. So I'll remove it, then I will apply the screws. So mission completed. I hope you like this video, and it might have helped many of you who are like facing the same problem with the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 or maybe any series. I will drop the link of the screen in the description box below. If you have any doubts, queries, or any questions, you can definitely ping me uh, on my maybe Instagram or any of the social medias that I'm available. All the links are in description box. So your support is like of more important to me, so that my channel grows. Recently, like I've lost the monetization, like had like spent so much on my like the drone had some issues, so I had to fix it. So you can see there is a lot of expenses involved in making any of these videos. So I hope you support my channel to the most, and help me grow like other YouTubers. So thanks for watching again, and please do likes, share, and subscribe to my channel, and share this video with your Samsung buddies. Thanks for watching. Bye.